Hi friends, I am Dr. Karthikeyan. Today we are going to see how to control diabetes with the help of Yogasana. Yogasana is an additional supplement for your regular medicines and dietary habits. It is not a replacement for your medicine or food. Please remember that before starting this video. So today in this video I am going to teach you 5 Yogasanas. So before starting yoga, please remember to go for walking for 30 minutes. Then you start doing yoga. Similarly, you have to go for walking in the evening for at least 30 to 45 minutes. So first we are going to do utkatasana. Here we are raising our legs and hands simultaneously while breathing in. Now while breathing out, we are sitting like this but on the tip of our toes. Again breathing in, we are standing up. Hold your breath. And then come back to normal position. Similarly, second time you can do inhale, raise your legs, raise your hands. Now exhale, sit down like this on the tip of your toes, hold your breath. Then again exhale, come back to the position. Then again inhale, back to the position and then exhale. So this is the first exercise. Second yogasana is chakrasana. In chakrasana, see, we have to stand like this. Our legs should be like this. It should be this much width apart. You should stand like this and then tightly grasp your palms. Your palms should not be free, but it should be tightly grasped like this. Now you are inhaling and then you are going back like this, bending like this. Hold your breath. Now exhaling, you are coming down, your hands are touching the ground and then going back above in a round about position. This is called chakrasana. You can bend as much as possible so that your head touches your knee. Now again you are inhaling, coming back to the position and then holding the breath and then coming down to the normal position. Repeat the same chakrasana. Second time you are inhaling, your palms are grasped tightly, hold your breath for few seconds and then come down slowly. Your palms are touching the floor, then going back above like this. This is chakrasana position. Hold your breath. Then again inhale, hands touching the ground, going above, bending back like this, hold your breath, exhale and come back to the normal position. So this is exercise number 2, chakrasana. After doing chakrasana, we can go for the third exercise, that is ardha matsyendrasana. It's little difficult to do. So just carefully observe what I am doing and try to follow the same. You have to sit first like this and then watch very carefully. Now I am bending my right leg. I am taking it below my left leg. Okay, it's like this. And now the left leg I am putting it on the side of the right leg. Now with the help of my left hand, left leg we used to cross it. So similarly we have to cross the left hand like this and touch the left foot, great toe, and now you are bending like this, twisting your body and you are bending like this. So I am showing you in another position. When you twist your body like this, your spinal cord and vertebral column gets twisted, which is very important for diabetes. So maintain this position, breathe normally in this position. So you will feel the relaxation in your vertebral column and spinal column. It is also good for your back pain. Now you are coming back to the normal position. Now repeat the same. See, now I am folding the left leg below the right leg and now the right leg is crossed apart. Now using the right hand I am going to cross it and touch the right leg great toe and now I am twisting my body and with the help of left hand. So I am showing you, see I am showing you in the another position. So the right hand is touching the right great toe while my left hand is supporting my twisted body. So this is the position of ardha matsyendrasana. It's very good for diabetes. Kindly do this exercise. Repeat this exercise as many times as much as possible. Now you have come back to the normal position. So this is ardha matsyendrasana. Now we will do the next exercise, which is paschimottasana. Here also you have to do it in a sitting posture like this. After sitting in this posture, now what you have to do is you have to inhale, slowly inhale and bring back your hands like this. Now slowly exhale, exhale and touch the toes. If you are flexible enough, you can touch even your knee with the help of your head. Hold your breath for few seconds, then again inhale, go back to the position. Again you can repeat this, exhale slowly and touch the great toe. So this initially is difficult, but slowly when we do it, it adds flexibility to our body and it's very good for diabetes. So try to do this paschimottasana every day at least 5 times. Exhale, touching the great toe. Now again inhale and then you can come back to the normal position. Okay, this is exercise number 4. Now we will do the last exercise, pavanmukhtasana. In pavanmukhtasana, you have to lie down like this. You have to breathe in first, inhale deeply, and then by breathing out, by exhaling out, you are bending your hip like this and you are touching your stomach. Your quadriceps is touching your stomach. This is a very important exercise for diabetes. So by touching the quadriceps like this, you are holding your breath. Then you are bringing it back by inhaling again. Then repeat the same for the next leg. Now you are exhaling, bringing the quadriceps of the right leg to your stomach, holding your breath. Wait for some time. Then by inhaling you are bringing it down. Then again exhaling, you are bringing the left leg up, touching the stomach, hold your breath. Then again by exhaling you are bringing the legs back to the position. So repeat this exercise as many times as possible, minimum 5 times. So this is pavanmukhtasana. After doing this separately for right leg and left leg, you can continue this exercise by doing it simultaneously for both legs. Here inhale deeply, then by exhaling bring both your legs up, both your quadriceps should come back to the stomach. You hold it like this. Your legs should press the stomach. Hold your breath. Now by inhaling you are bringing your legs back to the position. Again by exhaling you are bringing your legs up to the stomach. So repeat like this for as many times as much as possible. Now after finishing all these 5 exercises, you have to relax yourself. So in this savasana position, just breathe normally. Keep your right hand over your abdomen. Feel the movement of the abdominal wall. You have to breathe deeply so that your abdomen also moves up during inhalation and moves down during exhalation. So in this way, when you do a relaxed breathing, all your respiratory muscles are becoming active, diaphragm and all the intercostal muscles. So it is very good for inhalation of oxygen and it is very good for relaxing your body and mind. Similarly, you have to do another exercise in any posture, but padmasana is better. Sit like this in padmasana posture and you do bastrika. The bastrika is nothing but repetition of your breath, but it is fast repetition. Just observe me carefully. You have to do this fast repetition for 30 times. See while inhaling also I am inhaling very fast, while exhaling also I am exhaling very fast. Do like this for 30 times. So repeat, then take rest, then again do this. You do this bastrika at least for 5 times after finishing all these 5 yogasanas. So that's all. Our yogasana cycle for diabetes is over for today. Kindly repeat these exercises every day to get the maximum benefits out of these yogasanas for your diabetes control. There are 3 rules that has to be followed while doing yoga. First rule in doing the yoga is to breathe only through nostrils, not through your mouth. Only in specific yogas we will tell you to take the air through your nose, let it out through your mouth, and then take the air through your mouth, let it out through your nose. That is different. Unless we give specific instruction, don't try mouth breathing, only nose breathing. Second point is you have to inhale to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. For some people it may be inhaling to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But once you inhale like this, you have to hold your breath after inhaling for a count of say 5. For example, if you inhaled 1, 2, 3, hold the breath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold your breath like this. And then third point, exhaling your breath. How to let out your breath? You have inhaled 1, 2, 3. So when you are letting out your breath, you will be letting out like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you can see that you have exhaled twice the amount of air that you have inhaled. So why I am telling you these 3 steps is because it will improve your lung capacity, it will improve your oxygen intake, it will improve your breathing technique altogether. So always remember to follow these 3 rules in yoga. So after doing these 5 yogasanas, if you do this savasana and bastrika yogasana, today's yogasana is complete. So daily you have to do these yogasanas after doing 30 minutes of walking. So if you like this video, press the like button, share this video with your friends and relatives. Kindly subscribe our channel Dr. Karthikeyan and click that bell icon for more such useful health videos. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye from Dr. Karthikeyan.